Front lever, straddle, rings, band assisted. If you're an adult gymnastics skill seeker who wants to unlock the front lever on gymnastics rings, check this out. The progressions from advanced tuck to half lay or straddle can often feel unattainable, and this is where using a band can help. Here's how it works. I find the best setup for this is to tie the band on the pull-up bar between the rings that are set at armpit height. Choose a band that offers enough assistance for you to hold the perfect straddle front lever for the prescribed time. Step inside the band and then pull the band down under your hips. Grip the rings and walk your feet to be slightly forward of the rings. When preparing to move into the straddle front lever, you want the ring straps to be vertical. If the straps are not vertical and you lift your feet off the floor, you'll swing around and find it harder to hold the front lever. After gripping the rings, bend your knees and elbows to bring your shoulders to be level with the bottom of the rings. From here, actively push down on the rings to contract the muscles in your arms, shoulders and torso. Once you feel tension in these muscles, lift your feet off the floor, lean your shoulders back and straighten your arms as you move into a straddle front lever. Contract your glutes to extend your hips, contract your quads to lock your knees, open your legs into a straddle and point your toes. Focus on contracting your lats and keeping your shoulders depressed as you push down on the rings as if you're trying to move the rings towards your hips. Keep your chin tucked to your chest and fight to hold the straddle front lever for the prescribed time. This can be anywhere from 8 to 15 seconds. As strength improves, you can start to lower the band assistance and eventually move to the straddle front lever with no band. Give it a try and see how you go. If you've got questions, please leave them in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.